When jumping red to yellow at the control board, the cooling system should respond immediately with the intended start sequence to confirm the thermostat circuit is functioning correctly. When you momentarily jumper the red and yellow terminals on the control board, the condenser contactor should pick in and the compressor should attempt to start after any built-in time delay. The blower motor should energize on high speed to circulate air across the coil. And voltage should register between yellow and common on the control transformer or wire designated common, confirming the control circuit is providing the expected signal. Before testing, always turn off power at the service switch. Use an insulated jumper tool or clip lead and verify the system is de-energized to prevent shorts. Then restore power and perform the jump with caution. If the outdoor unit does not start, listen for a click from the contactor and measure line voltage to the compressor to distinguish a control signal issue from a power delivery or motor start problem. If the blower does not run on high, check the fan relay, motor capacitor, and fan motor windings with a multimeter, and inspect the control board trace for damaged solder joints or burned components. Allow the system's short cycle protection to reset. Many control boards incorporate a minimum off time of up to 5 minutes, so do not assume failure during that interval. Record the measured voltages and observed behaviors so you can compare against manufacturer specifications or share details with a service technician. Common mistakes include jumping the wrong terminals, which can energize the wrong circuit and cause component damage. Always confirm terminal labels and wiring colors against the schematic and control board legend before applying a jumper. Another frequent issue is performing the test with the capacitor or contactor damaged, yielding misleading results. Inspect the start capacitor for bulging or leakage and test contactor continuity before drawing conclusions about the thermostat circuit. A third concern is ignoring safety and timing protections. Where impatience during the control board's built-in delay leads technicians to think the system failed, wait the full specified time, and if unsure, consult the equipment service manual for the exact delay period. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with screened local contractors, matched to their project needs, and provides contractor profiles, reviews, and verified credentials to simplify hiring decisions. The site also helps contractors generate leads, build reputation, and find local projects that align with their services.